Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is going to be divided into two parts. The first part is making the herbal goat spray, while the second one is the spray bottle repair. The spray bottle repair wasn't supposed to be here, but it happened while I was using it for this video, so I thought to do the video to include it into the video because some other people might be having the same issues. All right, so let's get into the hair growth spray using only one ingredient you find in your kitchen, and the ingredient is cinnamon. Yes, cinnamon. Cinnamon is a wonderful spice and it smells really nice. Cinnamon increases blood circulation to the scalp, encouraging the hair follicle to grow faster. It helps combat scalp issues, dandruff, itchiness, or any fungi that can hinder healthy hair growth. It also helps as a gentle exfoliant to help remove dead skin cells and product buildup from the scalp. These and many more are the benefits of cinnamon, but it is advisable to always do a batch test before you use it because cinnamon is very potent. There are more than one ways to use cinnamon in your hair care routine. You can use it as a rinse, you can use it in your hair mask, you can also use it as an oil. Just pick whatever works for you. Also, it mustn't be the cinnamon stick. The powder is also sold. If you come across the powder, it is the same thing. So the process of making this spray is very simple. All you just need is your cinnamon, your jar, and some water. I blended my cinnamon and I poured it into my jar, and then I added a little bit of water and I covered the jar and I let it sit overnight. This is exactly what it looks like overnight, and this is just me trying to use my cheesecloth to strain out the water. The cinnamon has infused into the water and we'll use the water to moisturize our hair. This will go into the scalp and then do its work. This will not give you an inch or 2 inches of hair in 1 month. This will not do that, but it's going to create a healthy environment for your scalp to grow. Of course, your hair is still going to grow with or without this spray. Your hair is still going to grow, but we are just trying to create an enabling environment for the hair to thrive. I was going to use my spray bottle to spray this into my hair, but that was where I realized that the spray bottle wasn't working, and this is not the first time. I know a lot of people has experienced this. Some people has also dumped their spray bottle because it is not spraying and they went ahead to buy another one. So I'm gonna show you how you can tackle this, how you can repair your spray bottle if it stops working. You know, this thing just happened and it throws you off balance. So luckily for you guys, this is not the first time this is happening. This keeps reoccurring, but thank God I already figured out how to do it, and that is why I decided to make this part of this video to show anyone out there trying to repair the spray bottle or has an abandoned spray bottle that is probably not spraying again. So this is how you're gonna go about it. The first time this happened, I went back to the person I purchased it and I complained to the person, and the person said leave it till the following day, it might start working. So I decided to leave this to the following day, and guess what? It didn't work. The first thing you need to do in this situation is to dismantle your spray bottle, remove the straw and check inside. Check the hole inside to make sure there's no accumulated dirt inside. Once you are certain that there is no accumulated dirt that will probably be blocking the spray bottle, just gently close it and check if the thing sprays. If you pay close attention to this, you will notice that it is actually spraying inside. Instead of the spray bottle to spray outside, it is spraying inside the bottle. Once you press the handle, you will notice it sprays inside the bottle. So let's go ahead and fix this problem, because this is actually very frustrating for someone who doesn't know. This can really be frustrating. First, open up the lid and then use the other hand to press the handle. You will require a plier for this. That is probably the only thing that can grip the nozzle, so you will need a plier. Open it up, use one finger to hold up the cap and then the other to press the handle. Use the plier to grip the nozzle and then turn it. Grip the nozzle and then turn it. You're going to turn it to the right. Keep doing that. You can do that like 3 times. This really works like magic. All you need to do is use the plier to turn the nozzle 2 or 3 times and your spray bottle is back like it never left. Now let's do that. After turning it 1 and twice, let's check if it works. So I just press it down and you can see, voila, our spray bottle is back like nothing happened. If you find this helpful, please consider commenting, like, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed for more videos like this. Let me put this out there real quick. Sometimes you might need to turn the nozzle more than 2 or 3 times. Don't just dwell on the fact that I say turn it 2 or 3 times. Sometimes you will need to turn it more than 5 times for it to start working, but it will definitely work. Some spray bottles, the tops goes completely off. If you have like a misty spray like this type, some of it goes completely off, so do not worry if it goes off. Your spray bottle is still okay. That is how it's built. If you realize your spray doesn't have much force, you can go ahead and twist it more. As you can see, I twisted it a little bit more to increase the force. If you have any question, please do not hesitate to drop it in the comment and I will always give an answer to it. All right, now let's go ahead and spray the hair growth spray. For this practical, I had to remove the hair growth spray from the spray bottle and then I used water for the practice. After that, I poured in the hair growth spray back into the spray bottle, and that is what I'm currently using to spritz my hair right now. If you notice that your spray bottle is not spraying the way you want it to spray, feel free to switch it again and it will give you exactly what you want. I just want to use this opportunity to encourage anyone out there battling with their hair growth. I want you to know that hair growth doesn't happen overnight. It doesn't even happen in months. It takes years for you to start seeing the growth. So do not be in a hurry to see the growth. Just put in the work, take care of your hair, and one day you will notice that your hair has grown. You'll be so glad you didn't give up. Just keep doing what you're doing and it will pay off. Also, my ebook is still much available. If you need one, let me know. And we have finally come to the end of this video. If you like this, give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. See you in my next upload. Do have a lovely day. Bye bye.